Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today we're taking a deep dive into something you probably use every single day, Instagram.
But we're going beyond just liking pictures and, scrolling through your feed.
Right, we're going to explore how to really use the platform, how to make it work for you.
Whether you're on your phone or your computer.
Exactly. And get this, we found some super interesting insider tips from the SocialWick Podcast script.
Oh, yeah, that's a great resource.
It is. So are you ready to level up your Instagram game?
I know I am.
All right, let's do it. You know, it's crazy how much Instagram has evolved.
Oh, yeah.
Remember when it was just about filters?
And like quick snapshots.
Yeah.
Like a totally different world.
I know. Now it's this whole ecosystem for content creation and marketing.
Even business management.
I know. Okay, so let's start with the basics. The mobile app.
Right. Because even though you can post from your computer now,
Yeah.
most people are still using the app.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's say I want to post a picture of, I don't know, my lunch.
Okay, sounds delicious.
So I open the app, I hit that plus icon, I choose the photo for my camera roll.
Okay, and then you've got filters.
Yes, filters, but wait, there's more.
Whoa, yeah, so much more. Think about all those little accessibility features like alt text.
Oh yeah, alt text. To be honest, I always mean to add that, but sometimes I forget.
Well, you should definitely try to remember because it can really expand your audience.
Yeah. How so?
Well, think about it. People who are visually impaired rely on alt text to understand what's in an image.
Oh, that's true.
And it also helps with search engine optimization. Google can use alt text to figure out what your content is about.
So more people can find my delicious lunch photos.
Exactly. More people, more engagement. It's a win-win.
Okay, I'm sold. Alt text from now on, I promise.
Good. Now, what about likes and comments?
Oh, yeah. We all love those little hearts.
But did you know you can actually hide them?
Really? Why would someone want to do that?
Well, for some people, it can create a less competitive atmosphere. Like they're not so focused on getting a certain number of likes.
Yeah, I can see that. Just sharing something because you want to, not for the validation.
Exactly. And, for businesses, it can be a strategic choice, too. Sometimes they might want to show off those likes to build social proof, but other times they might want to focus on the content itself.
It's all about control, right?
Yeah, exactly. Instagram gives you the tools, but you get to decide how to use them. Pretty cool, huh?
So it's not just point, shoot, and post anymore. There's all this strategy involved.
Right. And that's just the mobile app.
I know. We haven't even talked about desktop posting.
I know, right? That's a whole other world of possibilities.
Okay, so for the longest time, I honestly thought desktop posting was like a myth.
Oh, yeah, I know what you mean. It seemed like everyone was talking about it, but it didn't really exist.
Exactly. Like a unicorn.
But it's real now. They finally made it happen.
It did. And it's a game changer, especially for people who spend a lot of time on their computers.
Social media managers are probably rejoicing.
Oh, I bet. Imagine trying to manage all those accounts on a tiny phone screen.
Yeah, no thanks. Yeah, desktop posting is a huge win for efficiency and honestly, just for our sanity.
Right. Okay, so what's the process like? Is it similar to the app?
It is. You go to Instagram.com, log in, and you'll see that familiar plus icon at the top.
Okay, just like on the app.
Yep. So you can choose your photos or videos, add filters, make adjustments. It's all there.
So I could theoretically edit a photo on like Photoshop and then upload it directly from my computer.
Absolutely. That's one of the biggest advantages of desktop posting. You have access to all those powerful editing tools that you don't have on your phone.
That's amazing. And if you're managing multiple accounts, it must be so much easier to switch between them on a bigger screen.
Oh, yeah, for sure. No more squinting at your phone, trying to remember which account you're logged into.
So much less stressful.
Eh.
Okay, so we've got mobile posting, we've got desktop posting. Anything else we need to know about the actual mechanics of getting those posts out into the world?
Well, there are some key differences between mobile and desktop posting that are worth mentioning, especially when it comes to certain features.
Oh, okay. I'm intrigued. What kind of limitations are we talking about?
Well, as of right now, you can't post stories or reels from your desktop.
Wait, really? That seems like a pretty big oversight.
Yeah.
I mean, stories and reels, those are huge on Instagram.
Yeah, they are.
So why wouldn't they make that functionality available on desktop?
It's a good question. And there are a few possible explanations. Some people think it's a strategy to keep people on the app,
Oh, interesting.
because the more time we spend scrolling on our phones, the more data they collect.
Yeah, that makes sense from a business perspective.
Right. More data, more targeted ads.
Yeah, I guess that's the name of the game these days. But maybe it's also a technical challenge. I mean, stories and reels, they're so fast-paced and interactive.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe it's just really hard to make those features work seamlessly on a bigger screen.
That's definitely possible. Or maybe they're working on something even better,
Yeah.
a whole new desktop experience that's specifically designed for creating those short videos.
Ooh, that would be cool.
Yeah, who knows? The point is, Instagram is always changing, and what might seem like a limitation today could be a launch pad for something totally new tomorrow.
I like that, a launch pad. So for now, if we want to hop on a trending Reels challenge or whatever, got to stick to the phones.
For now, yeah.
But let's talk about something that does work well on desktop. Meta Business Suite.
Ah, yes. Meta Business Suite. This is where things get really interesting, especially if you're using Instagram for more than just, sharing pictures of your cat.
Okay, full disclosure, I've heard of Meta Business Suite, but I always assumed it was for, like, big corporations with massive marketing teams.
Not at all. While it's definitely a powerful tool for businesses, it can be super helpful for anyone who wants to, step up their Instagram game.
Okay, so like influencers, creators, small businesses.
Exactly. Even just individuals who are serious about their Instagram strategy.
Okay, I'm listening. Tell me more. What makes it so special?
Well, for one thing, it lets you schedule posts in advance.
Oh, that's handy.
Right. Like imagine, planning out a whole week's worth of content at once, and then you can just let Meta Business Suite handle the posting.
It's like having a personal assistant for your Instagram.
Exactly.
Yeah.
But it goes way beyond just scheduling. You can get really granular insights into your audience, like who they are, what they like, when they're most active.
Oh, that's valuable.
Right. And then you can use that data to make sure your content is actually resonating with the right people.
So it's not just about posting, it's about posting strategically.
Exactly. And that brings us to another cool feature. You can track your performance over time, see which posts are getting the most engagement, which hashtags are working. You can even see how your competitors are doing.
Well, hold on. Did you say competitor analysis?
Yeah.
Like I can actually spy on my rivals.
Not spy exactly, but you can definitely see what's working for them, what kind of content they're posting, what hashtags they're using.
Okay, that is valuable intel. So Meta Business Suite is basically my secret weapon for Instagram domination.
I mean, it can definitely help.
I'm sold. Any other hidden gems I should know about?
Oh, here's a good one. Always preview your posts on both mobile and desktop before you hit that share button.
Oh, good point. Sometimes things look different on different devices.
Exactly. What looks amazing on your big computer screen might get cropped weirdly on a phone.
Ugh, I've
I know.
totally had that happen before. So frustrating.
So yeah, always double check on both to make sure your post looks exactly how you want it to.
Attention to detail.
Always.
It's amazing to me, how Instagram is constantly evolving.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Like every time I open the app, there's something new.
It's true. Instagram is always adapting, trying new things, trying to stay ahead of the curve.
Which keeps things interesting,
Yeah.
but it also makes you wonder what's next.
What's next? Yeah.
What do you think the future of Instagram posting looks like?
Well, one thing I think we can expect is even more short-form video. Reels, exactly. I mean, they're already super popular.
Oh, yeah.
And I think we'll just see them become even more central to the whole Instagram experience, maybe even integrated with other platforms like Facebook or WhatsApp.
Oh, interesting. Like a whole metaverse of short videos.
Yeah.
But what about the creators? How do we keep up with all these changes?
Right. It's a lot to keep track of, but I think we'll also see more tools and resources to help us, like maybe AI-powered editing software.
Whoa, AI editing my reels for me.
Exactly, to help you create, really engaging and sophisticated videos, or even personalized analytics dashboards that can give you real-time feedback on how your content is performing.
Wow, that'd be amazing. AI helping us create better content. Sounds a little scary too, though.
Well, yeah. There are definitely some ethical questions there, but
Sure.
it also has the potential to really democratize content creation, making it easier for anyone to make high-quality videos and share their stories.
That's a good point. It's all about access and opportunity. I guess that's the thing about social media. It's always pushing those boundaries.
And it's up to us as users and creators to figure out how to navigate those changes.
Right. How to use these platforms in a way that feels authentic and, I don't know, meaningful.
Exactly. And ultimately, that's what we've been talking about today, giving you the tools and the knowledge to really master the art of Instagram posting.
No matter what device you're using.
Right, whether it's the mobile app, your desktop, or even Meta Business Suite.
It's all about finding what works best for you and your goals.
And having fun along the way.
Yes, absolutely. Well, I feel like I've learned so much today, so thank you.
You're welcome.
And to everyone listening, go out there and create. experiment, try new things, and don't be afraid to find your own voice on Instagram.
Exactly.
Because at the end of the day, it's a tool for connection and creativity. So go out there and connect with the world.
Thanks for joining us on the deep dive.
Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep diving deeper.